Today's video, well, first of all, it is Moon Festival in Taiwan, and that's like where everyone just do barbecue with their friends and families and loved ones, or even by yourself if you want to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be making some Jamaican style jerk chicken and some jerk pork for myself and my family and some of my Taiwanese friends. I have some washed chicken here. It was a whole chicken. I cut it up, washed it, and cleaned it. And I have my homemade jerk marinade that I blend up earlier. I'm gonna have that, but before I had that, I am gonna add some seasoning. It's gonna be Jamaican style jerk chicken. It has to be Jamaican style all the way. So I have some powder season here. This is some jerk and powder season that I brought back from Jamaica. I'm gonna add 2 spoons of that. This is called season to the bone. I'm gonna add a spoon of that as well. Then I'm also gonna add some chicken seasoning. Okay, that is it. Then I'm going to be adding my jerk marinade. That's enough. I'm just gonna rub that all up in there. And then let this marinate overnight. So tomorrow all of these flavors are blended in. Wow, that smells so nice already. A little bit of everywhere underneath the skin. So everyone gets it. Just gonna use all of this in the chicken because I have some more that I took out already for the pork. Normally I had some browning, but I don't have any browning right now, but I'm just gonna work with it. It's gonna be great anyways, with or without the browning. Let all that flavor absorb in the chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that overnight. Let the chicken absorb all that flavor from the seasoning. Alright. Yeah, so here we have some fresh washed pork. Taiwanese pork is very, very soft. I'm also gonna add some of my homemade jerk marinade. Oh yeah. Marinade has been overnight now. Very nice. Both sides with some of the seasoning. I add a little bit of soy sauce. Give it a little color. I don't have any browning, so a little bit of soy sauce. And for this pork, I don't actually need to boil it before putting it on the grill. Get some small incision inside. Get some of that. welcome. Alright, so that is it. Gonna leave this to marinate for a good 12 hours or more.